Hello there, this is Tugustu Zarimum's channel. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. The next lesson will be categories of network media or transmission media. When we want to establish a network, we must have four fundamental elements: hardware, software, the protocol, and network medium. When we come to connection medium or network medium or transmission media, it's also category. It is one of the fundamental elements of network. The transmission medium can be divided into broad categories again. The transmission medium can be wired or wireless, guided or unguided. Here are the classification for transmission medium. It can be guided or wired and unguided or wireless. Under guided, we have also sub-classification: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. By using these cables, it's possible to connect devices. And it's possible to connect using unguided or wireless media, using radio wave, microwave, infrared, possible to communicate with devices. Here is the classification of transmission media. 2 to 1, guided or wired media. What's the guided or wired media? The guided or wire-based media, it conducts or conveys a message from one device to another using wire-based, using cables. What are these sub-classification for this guided media? Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. A signal traveling along any of these media is directed and contained by physical limits of media. They use wires. For instance, in case of twisted pair and coaxial cable, they use metallic or copper conductors. In case of optical fiber, it is made of plastic or glass, which is the signal is in the form of light. In case of fiber optic, message is in the form of light. In case of twisted and coaxial cable, the message is in the form of electric current. Let's come to the first guided or wired media, which is twisted pair cable. Twisted pair consists of two conductors, normally copper, which plastic insulation twisted together. One is as ground reference and the other carries a message or carries signal to the receiver. In addition to the signal sent by the sender in one of the wires, the interference or noise and crosstalk may affect both wires and create unwanted signal. Comparing the shielded ones, the twisted pairs, comparing with that of the coaxial cable in general, it's have less creates a noisy is an interference and is have low bandwidth comparing with that of coaxial cable. We can also have two types or categories for this twisted pair cable: the shielded one and the unshielded one. What's the unshielded twisted pair cable? The unshielded twisted pair is the most common form of network cable. This cable format is used for Ethernet wiring standards, which are managed by Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. Who gives the standard? The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers gives the standard for each cable. For instance, the unshielded twisted cable is due for Ethernet wiring cables and it has its own standard. The standard is given by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and referred by the code A02-3. The Ethernet standards include specification of cable configuration and the type of connectors used to plug cables into devices. Mostly, the unshielded twisted pair cables are used in LAN networks. Here, the figure shows us there is an outer jacket that protects the copper wire from physical damage, and here the pairs are twisted, protects the signal from interference. And here is the color coded plastic insulation. The electrical isolates wires from each other and identify each other. What are conventionally known as network cable, which is the code in A02.3 specified cable for Ethernet networks. but there are also categories: Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3 to Cat 7. The best for creating a less noise and having a good bandwidth. The Cat 7 is preferable, but it is expensive. There are connectors that enables to connect the unshielded twisted pair cables. The most common unshielded twisted pair connector is RJ45. Stands for registered jack, implying the connector flows a standard borrowed from the telephone industry. The RJ45 connects the Ethernet cables, the cables that are needed for local area network. When we establish a local area network, mostly we use this type of cables, Ethernet cables. And the cables are clamped by clamper and they are connected with RJ45 connectors. In case of telephone lines, RJ11 connector is used. When we clamp a specific cable or unshielded twisted pair cables, or before clamping the RJ45, we have to arrange the wires based on the convention. We have two types of conventions. One is the crossover and the other is a straight through cable. Mostly for land, the straight through convention is preferred. The second type of twisted pair is shielded twisted pair. This type of cable is shown here. Here is have a jacket, metal shield. In case of decreasing noise, this one is preferable, and it is used in fast data rate, Ethernet, and voice and data channels of telephone lines. Mostly for telephone lines nowadays, this type of, for the case of twisted pair cables, we use shielded twisted pair cables as a backbone, and for the case of a LAN or local area network that connects one computer to the other, we prefer the unshielded twisted pair cables. This is preferred for the case of carrying or conveying message in telephone lines. The shielded twisted pair cable combines the techniques of cancellation and twisting of wires in shielding. And comparing with that of unshielded twisted pair cables, these are covered with the plastic material. The shielded twisted pair cables, as an implies, reduces electrical noise from the cable or crosstalk and outside the cable. Electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference are absent in the case of shielded twisted pair cables. Therefore, it is better comparing with that of the unshielded twisted pair cables. For today is enough. Thank you. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel.